you are gone, but I remember everything.
Help! Where are you?
Mama! Oh, you poor thing! Oh no! Oh!
Don't worry, I'll help you. Just hold on.
Keep still, my friend. I will help you.
Hold still, little one. Here, just a little. There, you're free now. Safe.
Keep going! Whoa! Whoa. I must keep moving. Whimper. We're almost there. Whimper. Almost there. You'll be all right now, little one. The snow is gone. You're safe inside. Here, let's warm you more. Drink, my friend. It will warm you. Easy now. Slow swallow. That's it. Yes, you'll be all right. You are safe here. Keep warm, little one. The storm will pass. Thank you. You're safe now, little one. You're safe now. Just rest. You'll be strong again. Come, little friend. Fresh milk for you. It will warm you. You are safe now, little one. It will be all right. Don't worry. I will take care of you. Ты в порядке, мой маленький друг. Все будет хорошо. Die. Whimper. You keep me warm, my dear. Just the two of us against the winter. Come, my dear one, and share with me. You are strong now, my friend. We are safe here together.
Quiet, affectionate whimper.
That's right, just us. You're my only family now.
Thank you, my friend. We appreciate your help.
Oh, You've grown so strong, my loyal friend. Here, take this. Thank you for staying.
Time for breakfast, my friend. We have chores to do. Come.
Here you go, my friend. We'll eat together. Ooh. Yes, that's right. Good boy. You're my light. It is cold world. Oh.
Grunt.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Morning, my friend.
You ready, old friend?
Always. Come here, my friend. We must eat. Keep warm, my dear one.
Time for chores, old friend. Woo! We'll be quick.
All right, old friend. Just a little further. Oof. Ah, you silly wolf. The soup will be ready soon. Yes, you are a strong one. We will be all right. You keep me safe, my friend. Ooh. We will weather this together. Good morning, my dear friend.
Time for our walk, my friend. Let's go.
Almost there, my friend. Thank you for protecting me.
The forest is watchful, but you are here.
Stay close.
Go now, my friend. Be free. You are strong again. Be safe. Go. It's time. Go. Go.
Goodbye, my friend.
Owls.
Bye, bye, my room. God's mercy. No! Please! The bottle. Oh, you saved me. You saved me, my friend. Thank you. You saved me again. My dear friend. I will never let you go again. Thank you, my friend. We are safe. We are together now. Always. We are home, together forever. And curious are you? Soon, soon. You are my everything now. You are my family now. Forever.
All right, old friend. Let's get some wood.
Woohoo!
Keep your eyes peeled, boy. Oh, we're almost home, my friend. Yes, almost home.
You are too good. You brought good fish, my friend. We are safe, we are together. We will stay together until the end.
Thank you for choosing me. We made it.
You're ready, aren't you, my friend? Soon we fish.
You brought me fish. Thank you, my friend. You are a good boy.
Eat well tonight.
We will face every storm together. No. Please. No, not again. No. Oh, no. It can't be real. No! Leave him alone! Ah! Ah! No! No! Oh God, no! Please, no!
No. Oh, thank the spirits, you are safe.
Safe! Oof, oof. So safe, my sweet one. Oof, oof. Don't leave me. Don't die. Please, stay with me. Stay with me forever. Promise with me.
You are so silly, my friend. Look at you, wanting some soup already. We are warm, aren't we?
You saved me from loneliness. You are my strength. Thank you for being here every day. Thank you for being here, my friend.
Time for chores, my friend. We have work to do.
Let's go.
The storm is wild tonight, isn't it? But we are safe here, my friend. Drink this, it will warm you.
Here, my friend. Eat well.
Time for chores, old friend. Let's face the storm together.